Hey guys, what's up? Something horrible happened in Santa Monica to me, unfortunately. But basically, I was riding one of those like electric scooters that you can rent. Like they have like Lyft, Uber. There's one called Lime, I think Lime. So basically, what happened is like I was riding the scooter and I passed this one girl that was riding a bike because she was going like too slow, and so I passed her, and I didn't know my brother was like beside me. I bumped into him and I ended up losing control, and like I ended up falling face down, and yeah. So I'm really going to show y'all what really happened to me. It's kind of funny. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay. Basically, I landed on my face. Basically, like on my mouth. More like on this side. I probably landed on this side. I don't know how I got this scratch here because this is like pretty much a dip. So I'm kind of wondering how I got this. Because look at this. There's like no way I could have scratched myself there. I don't know how it happened, but it happened. And then yeah, I busted my lip and my tooth came out, so they like stuck it back in there. My tooth is what I was mostly worried about. Whenever I felt that my tooth was missing, I quickly cried. I was like, oh no, like I'm gonna lose my tooth, I'm gonna stay like this forever. But the good thing is like the doctors actually put it back, so I was kind of happy like that. But you never know if like it'll stay there forever, so I'm keeping this cement thing that I put on me just to see like if my tooth will stay there. Yeah, so basically this happened to me. I also busted my lip. Hold on, let me focus it a little. Yeah, like the inside, I got like a cut in the inside, and then also here. The good thing is I'm alive, but still I was crying because I thought it was gonna be ugly forever. Right now I'm just at Omar's aunt's house, and Omar and my brother-in-law and basically the people that came with us, they ended up visiting Beverly Hills. I think that's what I heard. I don't know. I just told them to like go ahead and have fun without me. Either way, I already went to Beverly Hills and stuff. Today I went to the dentist just to see if like the doctors actually put my tooth back in place, like in the right place. And the dentist said that that the tooth is in the right place, but they don't know if my tooth will actually stay there. Also, I wanted to let y'all know that if you ride the scooters, please be aware of your surroundings. And also, if you don't know how to ride a scooter, don't even try to ride them. They're actually dangerous for the people that don't know how to ride those scooters. I knew how to ride them, but I just wanted to be aware of my surroundings at that time. So yeah, so if you're really gonna ride those scooters, just beware of your surroundings, or your face is gonna be like this. Hello guys, welcome to our Airbnb or cabin, I don't know. Basically, we're gonna do a house tour. So right here, there's like a little, I guess, little hangout spot. You can hang out, have your wine, your tea, your beer, whatever you feel like. Over there's like a hallway, and then there's like a really nice view over here. really beautiful. I'm sorry about my face. So now we're gonna go to the main entrance, which is upstairs. That down there is gonna be me and Omar's room. There's a lot of stairs. We have our little porch, and you pretty much get like a good view, except the trees are covering it. We're gonna enter. This is the living room. As you can see, the living room, and there's the kitchen. I really like the trash can. I think it has like a recycling section and, you know, this trash section. This is the what's it called? Dishwasher. And this is the sink. I haven't turned it on. It has like 2 sections. It's really cool. This is the stove. Obviously, this is the toaster oven. There's one more right there.
There's rules.
Hold on, I'm doing the housework.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a fridge. It's empty. We gotta go first. And then this is the wine fridge.
You said you have something to the very side of the axe.
Yeah,
All right, we're done.
They want us to put all the blankets and stuff inside of the washer.
And here's our dining section. Now we're gonna go down to this hallway. Oh wait, y'all didn't see the pantry. What am I doing?
This lighting is terrible though.
I know, is there any lights? Yeah. So this is the pantry. It kind of looks okay, I guess. But it's big. They already have some food for us here, even though it's already used. But yeah. It's okay. We're buying our own groceries. Okay, now we're gonna go down to this section. So this is another hangout spot, basically like a playroom. And then right here, there's like a half bathroom. So you have your sink and your toilet. And there's a map in case you get lost or want to know where the places are at, like the cool places. In this door, there's a closet. It goes all the way down there, as you can see. So yeah, that's the closet. It has blankets and stuff in there. This is TV. They have Wi-Fi, which we wanted. Over here is a bedroom. Oh, they already have it. Yeah, it's a bedroom. Haven't seen the bathroom. Oh, the bathroom's nice in here. So this is the bathroom. They have a double sink, and yeah, it's a really nice bathroom. Well, do they have something? No. But yeah. All right. So yeah. Here on the outside, they have like a little patio. And then it leads like down there to the back, basically. This is where my brother-in-law and his girlfriend are going to be sleeping in. They beat us to this room. But there's some books here and decorations. And there's nothing in here. Oh, they have like wipes and stuff. And band-aids.
You probably need those.
Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go downstairs. Which there's more rooms here. This will be the laundry room. And which we're gonna be doing our laundry pretty soon. And then here there's like a chair and a mirror. This is gonna be like Well, there's supposed to be like a kid's room, but I guess you're sleeping here.
I guess.
Yeah, my brother's gonna be sleeping in here. There's like 2 little chairs for kids. And I'll show y'all where those doors lead to in a bit. Here, this is the bathroom. It's a small little bathroom, but it's alright. At least I can shower in it. But yeah, here's the sink. Pretty nice sink. I actually like this mirror. And yeah, it has like lights. And here is the shower. It's a pretty nice shower. They already have shampoo there. As you can see, it's a really nice bathroom, actually. Okay. Now here is where me and Omar are gonna be sleeping. So this is gonna be our bedroom. Yeah. Nice. And then over here is gonna be your closet that we're probably not even gonna use. We're not even gonna use our closets, but it's a nice closet. Yeah, and now coming over here, there's a this leads to the outside, which I already showed you. This is where we can sit down and chill. You can see the mountains up there. It has like a really nice view. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. You already saw. Oh, yeah, I forgot. There's gonna be another room. Say hi to them. Okay. So this door leads to the garage. Which has a ping pong table and a little corner in case you have kids. If you don't have kids, except me, you don't love anything. There's a rug. I don't know what this rug is used for. They have a treadmill for your workout, and then they have this so you can do some abs. Let me try this. They have some games. They have the bean bag, what's called a bean bag game, whatever it's called. Throw the bean bags and make it in the hole. And then that, I'm not really sure what it's called. What kind of game is this? I have no idea.
I think that's where you just try and make it to the
Oh yeah.
to 10, something like that.
You try and make it in a number.
Mhm.
Yeah. So yeah, basically that's it, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's actually a nice house for our first time. You know, for our budget. That's it for our tour. Thank you so much for, you know, watching our house tour that we're not gonna stay in forever.